Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and here's something really new to me and the channel. My very first, let's say, hobby grade RC helicopter. The RC Era Bell 206. I don't know, it has the C-138, you can see it here. And they say it's brushless, automatic stability, blah blah blah. Proprietary batteries. I don't really like that, but they seem decent. Let's take a look in the box. First, I opened the set up so I can charge the batteries. Okay. So you get the manual, which is decent. I've seen better, I've seen worse. Chinese and English. Get this charging cable, spare tail rotor prop, I don't know how you call it, screwdriver, and an Allen key. And under this plastic, there it is, the helicopter. It looks much smaller in the box, but once you take it out, it's quite big. Look at it in the sun. Ooh, nice. And my buddy George, aka R.A. Renfield on YouTube, has been flying these so long, and I've been watching him flying them. So I just had to get myself one to see how it is. Spare blades for the main rotor. Radio. It's decent, nothing to write home about, but I think it'll do the job. I usually hate these ready to fly radios, but said I'll give it a shot. I don't have anything else yet to bind it to. And these two little batteries that charge via USB-C, they're 7.4 volts, so 2S, 350 milliamp. And they have this light that comes on when you turn it on from this button, and also when it's charging. I think the manual said it should have some flashing lights or something like that, but once they were charged, they just the LED turned off. And it slides right in here, and that should be it. It's a bit chilly today. We have a bit of wind, but I hope I'll have a good maiden flight. Let me pack things up and I'll try and get it in the air. So this is the cheaper version without optical flow, which I think is supposed to help it hold position. And the basic radio, they say they have an upgrade one. I think that has better gimbals. And if I read the manual right, turn the radio on, the helicopter, press on the battery, yep, okay, and to bind it or arm it, go up and down. Okay, let's see, I haven't powered it up at home, I just charged it. And okay, so the blades move. That's it, just one blade moving. It's supposed to do that. I guess I'll see. Okay, and to fire it up. Ooh, look at it. It's a beauty. Also has this takeoff and landing button and the speed. That would be the rates. And it's so nice. Okay, let me get the phone on my head so I can film it and fly at the same time. So does it stop like this? Yeah. So, in the corners, and it stops. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Turn it on. And I guess up is for up. Woo! Flying. There is a bit of wind. Maybe I should turn it around. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, you can see it's pushing it. Ooh, where's it going down? I stopped this. Is it out of battery already? Are they not charged? I see it's flashing. What the heck? I let these charge for about an hour. Are you supposed to turn them on when charging? I'm not sure. Let me turn it off. See if that does anything. Oh, that's not the best start. Okay. Let's turn the radio off. Radio back on. Still flashing. Oh, let's see. Will it power up? Oh, wait. Up, down. Blades are still moving. Spools up. Ooh, that light is nice, and red one in the tail. Looks like the wind's pushing it back. Try these speeds or rates. It's descending again. There, I cut the power. Well, you know what? I have the other battery. Let me give that one a try, and I'll see if that works better. Come on, little guy. Okay, got battery number 2 installed. Let's see. They both charged at the same time. Oh, different chargers, that's true. Let me try and trim it a little bit. The wind died down. Wonder, am I charging them wrong? But they were on charge for almost an hour. Let's see. Does it hold altitude? Yeah, pretty much. That's slowly descending. And it's, ooh, I think the battery's dying again. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. What the heck? I don't know, was that even a minute? And I'm pretty sure it's not the cold, because it was snowing last night a bit, but as you can see it's all melted. Except a bit over there where the sun didn't shine. It's not that cold, it's 1-2 degrees Celsius, and I know George flies it cold weather and he gets about 10 minutes, so yeah, I'm probably doing something wrong. I watched dozens of flight videos, George, and not only, but I'll be honest, I haven't watched how to charge these batteries. That's why I don't like this proprietary stuff. How do I know the voltage on it? How do I make sure it's fully charged? How do I get a better one if I want to? Yeah, nice little chopper, but unfortunately not much flying today. This was my little Christmas gift to myself. Came on the 23rd, luckily. Faster than Banggood said it would. Or Shunggood would be here after New Year's, but at least that was a nice surprise. So, back to the drawing board. I'll reread the manual again, recharge these things, and try it again some other time. Hope you guys have a good Christmas, but stay tuned. I have another Christmas gift of the RC kind that I hope will go better. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, comments, what am I doing wrong, let me know. Like the video, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.